Now in a primetime sports follow-up, the race for the table tennis Jamaica presidency took a dramatic turn on Monday night after delegates voted 72 to 35 in favor of changing the association's constitution. However, there were concerns over how the constitution came into effect. Incumbent Godfrey Lothian defended the process on Primetime Sports Tuesday. We're now joined by presidential candidate Karen Sinclair Lynn. Good evening and welcome to Primetime Sports.
Good evening.
Now, firstly, let's talk about the amendments to the Constitution. Does that affect your campaign?
No, it doesn't.
How so?
It's still the same field ahead. We need change. We need new persons to bring the sports up to a level that we can all be proud of.
However, there were concerns over the constitutional amendments. You had some concerns that you were very vocal about. Name some of those. What are those concerns?
There's one where the new constitution allows for the president to become a CEO and to get paid, which I don't think that is right, because then the directors are not going to be getting paid, and that doesn't make any sense. There is also the fact that now the present constitution allows members to have a say. As it is now, any president or the vice presidents can do or say anything without the members' input. You can't have an organization without the members being impacted or saying something that would affect them and how they serve.
But the amendments were approved based on the majority vote, so
right.
Doesn't that leave you kind of powerless then?
That is why we need to have someone to really sit down and work out the glitches that is in the Constitution as it is right.
Some of the issues that came up on Monday night as well, we saw a number of clubs and affiliates kind of join in the process at the last minute. You voiced concerns about that. What are the issues you have?
Well, you can't have clubs without... On Friday, we had X amount, and Monday, there was all of these additional club, 100 and something. That makes no sense. Where were the additional 60-something clubs? Why weren't we knew about them before? Why weren't they out into the public? Why weren't we able to speak to any of these persons before Monday? So you can't just change something at the last minute, just like that.
Briefly, what do you bring to the table now? Godfrey Lothian has been there for 6 years. What do you bring differently?
Transparency. We don't have enough transparency as it is right now. We're not having enough tournaments. There's no growth in the industry right now. You only have from 0 to probably 13. What happened to a young person that has been playing the sport up until they're 20? There's nothing for them to continue. So we would like to have more continuity in the person so that they can grow and improve in their lives.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us. Karen Sinclair Lema, seeking presidential status of table tennis Jamaica. Thanks for joining us. We go into a break. When we come back, we have a lot more sports.